Hello kids, let's revise shapes and numbers today. Take a square paper and now you have to fold it into half so that you get a triangle like this. Fold it again so you get a smaller triangle. Fold it once more so the triangle becomes even smaller. Press the edges well. Open it now and count the triangles. How many triangles have you got? Now write the numbers into the triangles. Next, you can color each triangle in different colors. Now let's revise counting. You can ask Mama to make these counting aids for you with the number and a small strip of paper. Collect all the clips in the house and you can clip your strip of paper according to the number. Enjoy yourself and do these activities over the weekend. Bye-bye.